Hello everyone, this is Slick Tech here. I'm going to show you guys how to reset the tide light on your 2021 Ford Escape. This is the hybrid version, but it's going to apply for both hybrid and non-hybrid. So we're going to cycle the ignition on 3 times. We're going to press the brake pedal down one real quick, and then cycle the ignition 3 more times, and we will hear a horn, which is indicating that we are in tire relearn. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hold the brake pedal. Let go. Do it again. 1, 2, 3. And here you go. You can hear the horn. And it should give you an indication where we're in tire relearn mode. And we will go out to the vehicle. And we're going to use this tool right here, which is the tire reset tool. Hold it up against the sensor. You will see the light flashing. There you go. Again, we're going to start with the front drivers, front passenger. You will hear a horn for every sensor that is programmed. Number 3. And here we are, number 4. Then you see, try to catch it. There is a indicator, training complete. Of course, my tire light, the tire pressures are still low, so I will continue to have a tire light. Should come back on the next ignition cycle, but even with the tire light low, it did take it away. Not that it's going to stay away, so please don't think that's an indicator that it will permanently remove the tire pressure light, but that's how it's done. And this is a Ford reset tool you can find on Amazon. It's pretty cheap. So if it's an indicator where you change your rims, or if your tire pressure went too low and doesn't want to reset, this is the machine that's going to reset it. So you have a great day.